First, you need a few small pieces of hair, very small pieces, because you want the braid to not have a knot. Then you take the first piece and you start braiding as usual, but do not braid too far away from the root of the head, because you want the braid to have an even thickness, so you cannot braid too far. Braid twice or once before you insert the first piece of hair. After you insert the first piece, you braid twice or once, and then you insert the second piece of hair. And then you keep braiding. If you need the braid to be thicker, you keep repeating the same step. Braid once or twice and insert a piece of hair. Braid once or twice and insert a piece of hair. You start braiding the hair at the root. Do not braid too far away from the root, because you don't want it to look really skinny at the root. You insert the first piece, you braid once or twice before you insert another piece of hair. This is my first time doing knotless and first time doing box braids on somebody's hair. I'm new to this hair stuff, and I realized I was getting it wrong because I was braiding too far down before I insert another piece of hair. But the hair, I promise you, will look 100% better when I do this hair a second time. This is my first time doing knotless box braid. First, you grab the first piece of hair, you braid it not too far away from the root, once or twice before you insert the second piece of hair. If you guys need a tutorial on how to feed in braid, let me know. I would love to teach you that. I actually recently learned that too. Insert the second piece, braid once or twice, insert the third piece, and you keep putting hair in as you go. Depends on the thickness of the hair that you want. I can show you how to do a jumbo knotless. That's when you need bigger pieces. The hair came out better than I thought, because this was the first time I said I was doing knotless.